Hello, today we are going to make Indian rotis. To make Indian rotis, it's very simple. All you need is 1 cup flour, approximately 3/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, and a teaspoon of salt. The first step is we put the flour in a stainless steel bowl. Then we put the 2 tablespoons of oil and the 3/4 cup of water. And then we start to knead. We need to include little water at a time while you're kneading so that the consistency of the flour is good. This is how your dough should look. With 1 cup of flour, you should get about 6 decent sized balls. What you're going to do is flatten each ball with your hand. Just lightly dunk it in flour and roll it, not completely, and spray some oil. You need to do this to the rest of the ball. This step, we're going to roll out this dough into a full chapati. Make sure your tawa is nice and warm, and then you put your roti on the tawa. And you will start seeing, when you start seeing small bubbles, you have to wait for a few minutes, making sure that your rotis are cooking. The bubbles forming. That means your roti is ready to be turned. Okay? Flip it again, and your roti is ready.